I'm going to show you another cardboard skill today. This one's called slots. It's going to be another way to allow you to stand your structure up tall. So you're going to get 2 pieces of cardboard, and like tabs, you're going to draw a line through the bottom of your cardboard. You're going to do it to both pieces. Now, taking your scissors, you're going to cut that line you just drew on each piece of cardboard. This is just like we did when we were creating our tabs. Now, there's another way you can do it. You can take your 2 pieces of cardboard, draw your line, and then cut both of them together. But cardboard's a little thicker, so you gotta cut really strong to do it that way. Okay, now that I have my 2 pieces of cardboard, I'm gonna piece them together. I'm gonna turn one on its side and slide it into the cut that I made on the second piece of cardboard. And then you can open it up and it will stand up nice and tall. You can also use slots with toilet paper rolls. So you're gonna make a line on each side of the top of the toilet paper roll. And then I'm gonna use my scissors to cut the slots. Try to cut the same distance down on both sides. I'm going to use my slots to make a sign. So I'm going to write a message on my second piece of cardboard. And I'm going to insert my message into the slots on both sides of the top of the toilet paper roll. And there you go.